EJC. In today's class, using so and to, level V2, upper intermediate.
Well, hello folks, and welcome to another video in our channel, Learn English with JC. That will be me. Okay, now this is level B2, which is upper intermediate. As you can see here on the screen, the section is vocabulary and lesson number 6. Okay, and today we are going to learn 2 different ways to say that you agree with someone. So when a person tells you something, you're going to say you have 2 ways to agree with him or her. All right, so this is what John is going to say, and this is the way Peter is going to say using so, and this is the way he could also answer using to. Okay, so 2 ways using so and to agree with someone. All right, so let's take a look at them. John says, I am happy, and Peter can either say so am I, because you're using the verb to be. Okay, so am I, or he can simply say I am happy too. This version is obviously much easier because the only thing that you have to do is add to at the end of the sentence, and that's pretty much easy. Okay, I personally prefer this version, but it's up to you, the one that you prefer. All right, let's see another example. I'm going to eat pasta. You could either say so am I, again the verb to be, or you can also say I am going to eat pasta too, which is again much easier and simpler. All right, let's take a look at another example. I like dogs a lot. Now the do here is implied, but we don't usually say I do like dogs unless you want to emphasize, but normally you don't. So you simply say I like dogs, and another version is so do I, or I like dogs a lot too. All right, very good. Next one. The same thing happens here. You don't see the do in the first sentence, but it is implied. You look sad today. You'd say, Peter can say, so do you, or you look sad too. Okay, very good. Next one. Mary has a new pet. This one is easier. Mary has a new pet. So has Susan, or Susan has a new pet too. All right. This one is in the past. So this is equivalent to saying we went home yesterday, we went home late yesterday. You could either say we went home or we did go home. But normally you say went, we use the past simple. So normally you say we went home late yesterday. You can say so did I, because again it is equivalent to we did go. So did I, or I went home late yesterday too. Okay, next one. This is using the conditional. I'd love a coffee right now. And because you're using I or would, Peter can say so would I, or simply I'd love a coffee right now too. Okay, very good. Next one. She has finished her duties. Again, we use has, so here we use so have I, or I have finished my duties too. All right, 2 more to go. Here we use a modal verb, which is can. I can swim fairly well. I can swim fairly well. So can I, because you're using can, or I can swim fairly well too. Very simple. And the last one, you should study more. So should I. We're using should here, so that's when it's easy. I should study more too. Okay, so let me go over them one more time a little bit faster, okay, or rather normal speed. I am happy, so am I. I'm happy too. I'm going to eat pasta, so am I. I'm going to eat pasta too. I like dogs a lot, so do I. I like dogs a lot too. You look sad today, so do you. You look sad too. Mary has a new pet, so has Susan. Susan has a new pet too. We went home late yesterday, so did I. I went home late yesterday too. I'd love a coffee right now, so would I. I'd love a coffee right now too. She has finished her duties, so have I. I have finished my duties too. I can swim fairly well, so can I. I can swim fairly well too. And the last one, you should study more. So should I. I should study more too. All right, well, that's all for today, folks. I hope you have learned these 2 different ways to agree with somebody, and I hope you liked the video. If you did, don't forget to click on like, and also subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so yet. I hope you have, because there are many more videos in different levels, starting with level A2, B1, B2, which is this one, and C1, and different sections in each video. We have sections about grammar, vocabulary, which is this one. We have sections about English in context, and we have also listening exercises. And better yet, if you want to really learn, come with us. Come and learn with us here at Montero Espinosa, which is the academy where I teach. and you can have classes with you either one-on-one or classes in group. Okay, it depends on what you want. So we'll be more than happy to see you here, and don't hesitate and come and visit us, or even call us on the phone. Okay, and well, that's all for today. Like I said, I hope you liked the video, and I hope to see you again soon in another video. Okay, keep watching us. Okay, thank you for your attention, and goodbye. Bye.